Murf is the easiest way to add voiceovers to videos. It's so simple, we would be done before you finish that coffee. Let's get started. You can choose to create a new project or start with one of the ready-made templates. Step 1. Type in your script or just copy-paste. Now, step 2 is to select your favorite voice from a wide range of choices. Adjust pitch and speed of voiceover as you like. Now for the visuals, Murf supports both videos and images. So go ahead and upload as many as you like. Step 4 is all about syncing voice with visuals. This is where you adjust size of each audio block to perfectly time it with the visuals. Length of each audio block is shown right above the text. The last step, render your video. That's it. Your video is now ready for preview with the voiceover. Adding voiceovers to videos is really simple with Murf.